warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. We'll present about use foreign language in Indonesia. We are the members of Brand Wahyu Permana, Safa Fauziaranti, Fitriatanti Pinanggih, Arianti Rizky Adinda, Desta Oktaviani, Vinanda Arum Trikurniawan, Eri Devanda Yuda, Arum Chandani Kinasih, Anissa Meritia Ningrum, Ahmad Firmansyah, and Azizur Rahmat Taufik. Who will be the first presentation by Brian Wahyu Permana.
Foreign language, according to the Large Indonesia Dictionary, are language belonging to other nations that are controlled, usually through formal education, and which are not considered sociocultural as their own language. The sense of nationalism, according to the Large Indonesian Dictionary, namely understanding, teaching to love the nation and the state itself.
Next presentation by Fitriatanti Pinanggi.
Word is where the foreign language is used to become a loan words that is in Indonesian. Absorption words are words that come from foreign language that have been integrated into a language and are generally adapted for use. According to the author's references, the language that is absorbed the most is Dutch. This is mainly due to the length of the Dutch colonial period, which reached 3.5 centuries. Dutch was used until the time of the independence movement in communicating ideas of statehood and of course also used in everyday life.
The next presentation is Arianti Rizky Adinda.
Of foreign language in daily communication show a person lack of nationalism, meaning that the use of language belonging to another nation that is controlled and is not considered as one own language in a daily non-verbal, non-formal communication show a lack of feeling to love the nation and the state itself.
The next presentation is Desta Octaviani.
So a lack of a person's sense of national due to us using a foreign language in everyday life, which should be used in daily life using the unified language Indonesian formally. Until new Indonesian has four possessions, namely as a unified language, national language, state language, and official language.
The next presentation is Vinanda Arum Trikuniawan.
In each future development, the Indonesian language succeeded in establishing itself as the language of culture and the language of knowledge. Indonesian has been widely recognized since the Young Plan on October 28, 1928, which made Indonesia the language of unity.
Presentation is Eri Devanda Yuda.
Complex tree is a part which stands that all of us, as Indonesians, have recognized the language of one Indonesia. But now it seems that this message is not as respected as it was in the message. Now many young people speak many languages such as Japanese, Chinese, English, and other. The influence of foreign language has a huge impact on the development of Indonesia. For example, children start to take it essay to learn Indonesian.
The next presentation is Arum Chandani Kinasih.
The Indonesian people will gradually forget that Indonesian is the language of unity. Children begin to underestimate Indonesian reading. Over time, the Indonesian people will find it difficult expressing good and correct Indonesian and able to dislove the spirit of nationalism and an attitude of pride in one's own language and culture.
Presentation is Anissa Meritia Ningrum.
The Indonesian language has now begun to lose its identity has begun to be underestimated and underestimated by various groups. Some even admit that by speaking Indonesian, they are considered not slang. In fact, as we know, the Indonesian language is included in the natural aspect that characterize the nationalism of a country.
Alwi et al. Eds. 2003 9 stated that the many elements of language from the Japanese language, for example, are considered an enrichment of the Indonesian language, but the inclusion of elements of English language is considered to be a sign of the authenticity and purity of our language. This is the cause of interference. Sire 1994 66 provides that interference limits are brought about by the entry of other language elements into the language being used, so that there is a deviation from the rules of the language used.
Apart from region language, foreign languages read English for a small proportion of Indonesian airplanes about Indonesia. The factors that cause this attitude are social, economic, and business views. Good command of English promise a far better social-economic position and level than just mastering Indonesia. The attitude towards Indonesia that is not good toward Indonesia language skill in various circles, including the lower, middle, and upper layers, even intellectual circles. However, that lack of Indonesian language skill in the upper class and intellectual group lies in underestimating and disrespecting and not having a sense of pride in the Indonesian language.
We think that's enough from us. If there are some mistakes, we apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.